Well, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I had a real craving for some Chinese food, so I'm going to make some sweet and sour chicken balls. Stay with me, sit back and I'll show you how to make them. So here we have 100 grams of ketchup, 100 grams of white sugar, 75 millilitres of white wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoonful of corn flour and 175 millilitres of cold water. Now we just combine everything together in the water.
Like so.
Bring to the boil and it's cooked.
Now let's move on to the chicken.
Meanwhile, in this other bowl that I have here, we're going to add the the rice wine, sesame oil, the salt, pepper, and some cooking oil. In that goes. Give this a mix. Then we can add our cubed chicken, stir this in and we'll leave it to marinate while we prepare the batter.
First we can put the flour into a bowl. Then add enough water to make a sort of a thick cream consistency. This is where I make life easy for myself and use a stick blender. In with the chicken. Then in a pan of hot oil, carefully add the chicken pieces one at a time and cook until golden brown. Remove and drain on kitchen paper. And there you have it. Doesn't that look just so tasty?
Now what can I say? They turned out really delicious and I know you guys are going to love it. So please check out my future videos, subscribe to my channel, that would be great, and I shall see you all again next time. Bye.